If you want to learn how to find templates on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to look inside the CapCut app so you can browse templates fast and start using them in your own videos. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or just want a faster way to edit, CapCut templates can save you a ton of time and make your videos look more polished right away. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or device. Once the app loads, you'll land on the main screen where CapCut shows different editing options and features. Now, look over to the left side of the app. This is where CapCut keeps some of its main navigation tools, including the area you need for templates. On the left side, click on Templates. This will take you straight to the Templates section inside CapCut. Here, you can view all available templates in one place. CapCut organizes them so you can scroll through and explore different styles, trends, and editing layouts without having to build everything from scratch. Once you're inside the template section, you can browse through the options and choose the one that fits your video idea best. Templates are great because they let you create eye-catching content quickly, even if you don't have much editing experience. You just pick a template, add your clips or photos, and CapCut does a lot of the work for you. If you don't see the exact style you want right away, keep scrolling and checking the templates feed. CapCut updates these often, so there are usually plenty of new designs to try. This makes it easier to find something that matches your content niche, whether you're making vlog clips, product videos, or trending short-form edits. And that's it. To find templates on CapCut, just open the app, look on the left side, and click Templates. From there, you can view all templates and start using the one you like best. Super easy, right? If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut guides, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.